Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multicooker, a versatile kitchen appliance designed to replace multiple devices with one smart solution. Product link is in the description below. This model combines pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice making, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, warming, and sterilizing in one package. The design is sleek and modern, featuring a stainless steel exterior with a 6-quart capacity that suits families and meal preppers. Engineered for versatility, the Duo Plus balances usability with durability, offering an intuitive control panel with easy-to-read digital display. The build quality reflects Instant Pot's trusted craftsmanship, with a dishwasher-safe stainless steel inner pot for convenience. Its compact footprint saves counter space while delivering multifunctionality. Performance is where this multi-cooker shines. Equipped with 9 cooking functions, it delivers fast, consistent results. Pressure cooking reduces cooking time by up to 70%, while slow cooking allows for tender, flavorful meals. The rice maker ensures perfect grains, while the steamer and sauté functions expand versatility. Yogurt making adds a healthy homemade option, while the warmer and sterilizer functions enhance everyday usability. The included app provides access to over 800 recipes, making it easy to explore new dishes. Usability and convenience are highlights. The Duo Plus features customizable cooking programs, safety mechanisms, and a delay start option for flexible meal planning. The large LCD display simplifies navigation, while the stainless steel pot ensures durability and easy cleaning. Its 6-quart size is ideal for families, batch cooking, or entertaining. The appliance is energy efficient, reducing reliance on multiple devices. Durability and convenience stand out. Built with Instant Pot's trusted design philosophy, the Duo Plus blends efficiency, intelligence, and sleek aesthetics, making it a smart investment for home cooks. Use cases are broad. For busy families, it delivers quick meals. For professionals, it simplifies weeknight cooking. For health-conscious users, it supports homemade yogurt and steaming. For entertainers, it prepares large portions with ease. In summary, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multicooker combines versatility, speed, and convenience in one package. If this review helped, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.